Owners of sexually oriented businesses are fighting the city of Dallas over new restrictions that would force them to close between 2 a.m. and 6 a.m. Today, they made their case in federal court. Fox 4's Lori Brown is live in downtown Dallas with the story. Lori.
Heather, this hearing was only supposed to take one day, but there were too many witnesses called to testify to be able to get through it today. So now the sexually oriented businesses will be allowed to continue to operate in those early morning hours until Judge Lynn can take this case back up and issue her ruling.
Attorneys for sexually oriented businesses, or SOBs, tried to attack the city's data. Dallas Police Chief Eddie Garcia argued to the city council that having SOBs open between 2 a.m. and 6 a.m. contributes to crime and is a drain on valuable police resources. In response, attorneys for the businesses turned to paid testimony from a communications professor who researched the effects of those businesses on human behavior. He called the city's data connecting SOBs to overnight crime shoddy, arguing the city did not have a control group to compare the numbers with, and Judge Barbara Lynn appeared to agree with this point. The owner of one strip club, Bucks Wild, said the city's ordinance will cut his business by 45%, hurting what he described as the single moms who often work there. The city's first witness was a major at DPD's Northwest Division. He testified that 6 early morning shootings between September 2020 and March 2021 were tied to sexually oriented businesses, including murders in a mass shooting. The major testified he formed a task force as a result, and the police visibility did reduce crime. But he also said it is not sustainable and he needs those 8 officers to be answering other 911 calls.
Judge Lynn asked the DPD major how he could go about getting more police officers to work between those hours of 2 a.m. and 6 a.m. He said that he could ask the police chief. The city attorney then asked him about the shortages of police officers. This hearing will now resume in about a week and a half, Wednesday, March 23rd. Heather.